Come back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to peel your beans at home. This method is so easy and stress-free. Continue watching to find out the technique on how I use my food processor to peel beans at home. Before I peel the beans, I would like to carefully select, remove any stone or dirty from the beans. This method is so important to avoid including stone into your food. When I'm done selecting the beans, I'll be soaking the beans for just 2 minutes. I'm not going to soak the beans for a long time to avoid getting too soft. Please don't over soak the beans to avoid breaking into pieces while peeling. After about 2 minutes, you can notice that the beans have swollen, which will make it easier to peel. I will drain out the water. I'll be adding some of the beans into the food processor. You can also use blender for this. Make sure that you do not overfill your blender or food processor. Then I'll add a little water. If you are using a blender, add more water and use the pause setting. Then I'll cover the blender and blend using the pause method. When I'm done, I will check if it has peeled properly. If not, you can repeat the process. The beans is okay at this stage, so I'm going to add it into a bowl. Repeat the same process until you have peeled all the beans. When I'm done peeling all the beans, I will add into a bowl, add enough water to cover the beans so that the skin will float on top. Then I will gently sieve to remove the bean skin. Process until you have removed all the bean skin or coat. Finally, my beans is properly cleaned, so I'm going to soak it for some minutes. You can see how easy and stress-free it is to peel your beans using your blender or food processor. You can use these beans to make akara or moi moi. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.